common mistake that I personally observe during clinical interviews are, applicants are so focused on their English language, no? So if you are overthinking your English during a clinical interview, so this might be the reason why you are not performing well. Yes, this is a BPO setup, and this is a US based clients, meaning one way or another, you will really speak in English. But during interviews, no, ako personally, I'm setting the expectations to the applicants that they don't have to match how I speak. No, they can always speak in Tagalog or respond in Taglish kung saan sila mas comfortable at kung saan sila mas makakasagot ng maayos. Obviously, you can only ask this if your interviewer is a Filipino, no? So what happens is candidates try so hard to perfect their English and they lose the structure of their responses. So kinakabahan sila, they start translating in their head, tapos yung answers nagiging scattered na siya. So we interviewers, we are listening for your thought process, how you assess, how you prioritize, how you escalate, and how you deliver your answers clearly. No, we're not looking or listening to your accent, not your deep vocabulary. So it's better to answer in simple English, no, but with structure, but don't use any complex words, that you already lose your clinical flow. So don't let the language anxiety block your clinical competence. This is the perfect time to showcase your clinical experience. Your goal here is clarity and not perfection. So ultimately, the interviewers need to know if you know what you are saying. Okay, in my next video, I'll talk another subtle mistake that weakens your clinical answers, even if your English is good. So please make sure to follow.